Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. I am promised you a beverage that will help with the sneezies. And so here we have it. It is called lavender lemonade. And what I have here is some water, a pitcher of water. This right here is approximately 8 cups, but you're going to want to have a total of 10 cups altogether. I have a half cup of honey already poured in here. And even though I had said get your 6 lemons ready and your 1 lime, I don't have them. And so when you don't have them, you make do so you don't have to run to the store. So if you have the 6 lemons and the 1 lime, you're going to want to take the juice of those and add it to the water, okay? And then you're going to add the half cup of honey, and you're going to add the secret ingredient, which I'll get to in a minute. But for me, because I didn't have the lemons, the fresh lemons and the fresh lime, I used organic lemon juice and pure organic lime juice. And I do like the Lakewood brand, okay? You do whatever you want, but that's what I like. So the equivalent of 6 lemons would be 12 tablespoons of the lemon juice. And so because I want to use some essential oil in mine, because hey, I just like the health benefits of all those constituents in the lemon essential oil. I put in here 11 tablespoons instead of the 12. And since you can use 8 drops of lemon vitality oil per tablespoon of juice, I am now going to add 8 drops. Actually, I'm going to add it to the honey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because oil and water just doesn't mix. That would probably mix in with the juice, but I just feel better that it's mixed in with the honey. That means it's going to be absorbed by the honey, and then it will mix in better with when it gets all done. Now, the juice of 1 lemon would be 2 tablespoons. I have also added 1 tablespoon of this lime juice to this mixture right here. And I have already added 8 drops of lime vitality oil to the honey. Now here's the secret. We're going to add 2 drops of the lavender essential oil. And I'm also going to add that to this. 1, 2. Sometimes you got to be quick or else you get an extra one. And I'm just kind of going to swirl it around in here so it gets mixed up real good with my little plastic toothpick. And then I'm going to add it to my water. And then I will add the juice. Now you can see after I added the honey and the juice, it pretty much brings this up to full, which is why I had to keep out the other 2 cups of water. But I will put this in a container where I can add the other 2 cups. But for this purpose, so just keep in mind, you want a total of 10 cups, really, for this. So I am stirring this up, Getting that all mixed in really well. And let's see. We'll just try a little bit. And you know, you can always adjust flavors if you want to when you're all done. So I'm just going to test it out a little bit here. Keep in mind it's not as diluted as it should be. But wow, is that ever good. So there you go. A nice drink for those sniffles and sneezies.